Hello everybody, this is Roberto Latini and I'm going to talk about the guidelines that ANVISA just published for the regulation of cannabis-based products in Brazil. So the companies can apply now in Brazil to have their registration, the so-called registration. Is not exactly a registration, it's what ANVISA named Sanitary Authorization for cannabis-based product. So for that we have a series of requirements that must be fulfilled by the companies themselves and by the product itself. So I'm going to describe now, try to be very fast despite the complexity of the subject, okay? So only companies based in Brazil can hold the, I'm going to call registration, okay? And can hold the registration of a cannabis-based product in Brazil. For that, those companies must have the working permit granted by ANVISA for medicines as well as for controlled substances. So prescription drugs must have a special working permit in Brazil that is called autorização especial in Portuguese, a special authorization in English. Okay? The manufacturers overseas must count on GMP certificate issued by ANVISA, otherwise they can use the PICS certificate issued by the country of origin. The countries that are members of this PICS agreement are described in our website. You can download the document in our website from www.latinigroup.com. Okay? Those companies that will sell only active pharmaceutical ingredients, they don't need to count on the GMP issued by ANVISA, but the Brazilian company that will buy such APIs must qualify the supplier according to the Brazilian legislation. Okay? The quality control can be 100% outsourced in Brazil regarding the products based in cannabis. And the future holder of those registrations must count on pharmacovigilance department that is able to reply to the consumers' complaints eventually. Okay? So for the product itself, it's only accepted products that are administered via nasal or oral, as described by ANVISA, as defined by ANVISA. In our document you will find the technical definitions according to ANVISA standards. So again, you can download from our website. In the labeling and in the packaging, you cannot have names, symbols, logos, drawings or figures that can guide the consumer for any kind of mistake. I remind you that ANVISA also doesn't accept this cannabis-based product to be named as a pharmaceutical product or medicine or food supplement or cosmetic or whatever, or any similar term that may be used. Okay? The packaging must count on a black belt all around the packaging. This is a rule in Brazil that will identify these drugs as prescription drugs. ANVISA also will not accept the use of synthetic cannabis. It's only possible to use the natural cannabidiol. The synthetic cannabidiol is still not accepted in Brazil. Regarding the technical justification of the rationale involving the product itself, why the product is made like this, why the dosage, why this administration method, ANVISA suggests companies to present such rationale in the format of the CTD, Common Technical Document, that it's a very well-known document used in the pharmaceutical industry. So you can find with this, this front page, in this link from ANVISA, you will find everything that is needed, and also you can download from our website. It's also interesting to note that the cannabis-based products must count on stability tests made in accordance to the Zone 4B zone 4B, that is the zone that Brazil belongs to, and the accelerated tests will be accepted, but they must be performance for at least 12 months. Below 12 months, ANVISA will not accept the accelerated tests, okay? I remind you that for the products that are stored on room temperature, the stability test must be performed at 40 degrees centigrade, 75 relative humidity, and here you will find attachment 1 and attachment 2 of the regulation RDC 318-19 that talks exactly about the stability tests for Brazil. So once the product is authorized in Brazil, so once the registration is granted by ANVISA, the company that will hold the registration will have 1 year to make the first importation, and this so-called sanitary authorization will last for 5 years. The company that will hold the registration, that will be the importer, must apply for ANVISA to approve a certain quantity of a product to be imported each year, and then after that, the same company needs to apply for the authorization for importation, that it's another document, so they will be able to import and the products can be inspected by ANVISA. The only 2 points that these products can be imported into Brazil is Rio de Janeiro by the harbor or airport, and also São Paulo by the international airport or harbor of Santos, okay? Only doctors can prescribe the products. This was already covered in previous videos that we made, and it's forbidden to have plantation of cannabis in Brazil, and it is also forbidden to import the plant or parts of the plant, even dried or in whatever way possible, okay? So our group, our staff is here to help you in any way that is possible. So if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to contact us. Go into our website, there is a link called Contact. You can send us your doubts and we will be happy to help you invest in your cannabis-based product and made business in Brazil. Thank you so much for your attention and have a wonderful day and great business. Bye-bye.